So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. Simply click on Start Lab, and you don't require credits for completing this lab because if this is a part of any arcade game. Now here we have to simply start the lab and open the console incognito window. Now here simply activate the Cloud Shell. Click on this button, right? To activate the Cloud Shell, click on Continue. Simply click on Authorize. Now let me increase the text size. Now in the description box, I've shared this repository. You have to come over here, select it and paste over here. Now here we have to do some of the manual steps also. So stay tuned till the end. Do not just jump and hurry and copy paste because most of you don't watch the video completely. So you may face some kind of error. So just wait for it. So here cluster is being created, wait for it to get created. After that, we have to do some of the manual steps also. So stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned. This lab will take time. You have to stay patient throughout the journey and like the video. So once you see output like this, you have to simply press the enter key on your keyboard. So hit enter, again hit enter, again hit enter, again hit enter. Now it will just generate the key. So after that, wait for some more time. And hit like the video and do subscribe the channel and share the channel with all your friends and family members who are participating in the Google Cloud Arcade. Now, once you see output like this, you have to click on this URL. Now you have to simply remove this unwanted pop-up from here and click on this edit policy. Now after that, scroll down a bit, click on these three dots, edit, and click on this require attesters. Add attesters, add by resource ID. Now from here, you have to carefully drag your mouse cursor and leave it. Once you see this clipboard icon, just paste over here. See, sometimes what happens, it does not get added. Then again, you have to come over here and drag your mouse cursor from here to here. And once you see the click icon, you have to simply paste over here, add a tester, then simply click on submit. Okay, and then just save the policy. Now let's come to the lab instruction and let's see the score for each and every task. I think we have saved the policy also. So you can see we have got 80 out of 100. Now for the rest task, come over here, type 5, hit enter, and now wait for the final step to get completed. It will take some time. So here you can see it showing cluster is being created, means deleted. Okay, so let's try to check the score. So you can see we got 100 out of 100 and there is no issue in completing the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel for